Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial on this look right here. I love this halo eye. I love all the colours together and the shimmer in the middle just gives it like a nice pop. So if you want to see how I created it, then please just keep on watching. So I've already done my base, foundation, concealer, bronzer, all of that stuff. So I'm going to go straight into the eyes as this is just going to be like an eye tutorial. The palettes I'm going to use today are my Naked Heat Urban Decay palette, and I'm also just going to dip into the Modern Renaissance palette as well. I keep this in the box because I don't want to ruin it because it's like suede-y sort of material. I just have to protect it. But literally, if I get a mark on it, it will just give me anxiety. So for my crease shade, I'm going to go into Low Blow, which is this one right here. It's a really nice, soft brown shade. So I'm literally going to be looking down and just popping that in the crease. I'm going to go right into the inner corner and straight out to the outer half, like towards my brow area. I also like to take it quite a little bit higher than my crease. I like to put it in the crease and then I take it ever so slightly up, just because when I open my eyes you can still see it, because if I just apply it in the crease to define the crease, open my eyes, you can't see that I've got eyeshadow on. So I kind of like need to blend it a little bit higher, but you also just need to just adapt it to your eye shape. Still going back to my Naked Heat palette, I'm going to pick up this one right here, which is He Devil. I'm actually just going to use the same brush, and I'm going to pick up some of that. And again, I'm going to go into the crease, but the lower half of the crease. I'm also going to blend this down onto my whole lid as well, so don't worry if you get some on the lid, because we're going to apply it there anyway. I just want to make sure this is nice and blended into that first shade that we laid down. Once I know I've got that as blended as I would like it to be, I'm going to pick up some more of that He Devil and I'm just going to pack that onto the lid. I like to do like an initial, first initial wash over the lid. See what's going on, see how it goes, and then I like to pick up a little bit more and just pop that over the top, more in the centre. I find I need to pack on a little bit more shadow in the centre of my eye than I do on the inner and outer half. It's weird. Then I'm going to go in with this shade right here. It's called En Fuego. It's more of like a deeper, more richer, browny, purpley kind of colour. It's really, really nice. So I'm going to pick this up with this pencil brush, picking up a generous amount of shadow. Make sure you tap off the excess so you don't get fallout. And I'm going to apply this on the inner and outer half now, sort of trying to create more of like a halo eye effect. When blending it more into like across to get this nice faded effect, I'm doing really soft, using a really, really light hand, soft like pushing motions, just to sort of blend that across. So I'm not putting any more product onto the brush, literally just pushing what's on the lid over. Do the same in the inner corner. I find it easier when I'm doing the inner corner to like get the mirror like right in front of me and like down, so I'm looking right up down to it and hold the brush up just so I can get right in there without messing up any of this other crease shade. And then again, using really light hand to blend that line across. I'm going to take that on my lower lash line as well. Just really sort of softly, all the way across. Going into my Modern Renaissance palette, I'm going to pick up this shade right here, which is Citrus Umber. Yeah, Citrus Umber. It's like a really nice dark rich brown. I'm going to pick it up on this flat shader brush. It's like a really small shader brush. I'm going to pick up some of that. You do get a lot of fallout with this palette, so do be careful. Pick up as much product as you need and make sure you tap off the excess. And I'm going to press this really close to my lash line and like blend it across. I'm not going to go all the way across because I don't want to close my eye too much. I just want to keep this more on that outer half. I'm going to pop that on that, right on that outer corner, just to give it a slight more definition. I don't want to put too much, just so it connects to the bottom lash line nicely. Deciding whether to do a shimmer in the middle or not. I just thought decide. I don't know whether to pick up this shade right here, which is called Scorched. It's like a really nice shimmer. I'm going to go ahead and try it. I'm actually going to pick that up with my finger and just blend that in with my finger. Yeah, that's really pretty. So I'm going to take that right up to the halo part that we did. I think sometimes you get a better payoff with shimmers when you apply them with your finger. It's so pretty. I'm going to apply a small amount of this Fuego highlight by Dose of Colours. It's the Desi and Katie range. I'm going to pick that up with my finger as well and just pop that on my brow, just like under my brow, just to give it a bit more shimmer. So I'm going to go in with some mascara. This is the Clinique High Impact Mascara. For lashes, I'm going to apply these ones. They're the Eyelaw Wispies. I love them. My always like go-to pair of lashes. For lips, I'm going to use the KKW and Kylie Cosmetics collaboration. This is in the shade Kim. It's like a really nice pinky sort of nude. Just to give it a bit more gloss, I'm going to go in with a Dose of Colours Over the Top Gloss. This is so good. It makes any lip look super glossy. And I'm really liking glossy lips at the moment. Like, I used to hate lip gloss. Hated it on me, but now I just like really like it. I'm just going to bronze up my skin just a little bit more with my Rimmel bronzer. Take that down your neck as well, just to make sure everything is nice and blended. So this is it. This is the final result. I love this halo eye. It's super easy and it really didn't take me long to do. I know halo eyes can be quite intimidating, but they're really easy, and it is just practice after practice after practice. But I all hope you enjoyed this look. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up if you did, and please subscribe. Make sure to give me a follow on my Instagram. I'll leave it all linked down below.